and on we'll go.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tony's Phone Collection. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing. I actually have a couple of them to do, so let's get started with the first one. This came from the usual seller I've been buying from for a long time now, it feels like. You sell to us. This is a LG Chocolate 3. Untested. It is Verizon. I do have a blue one, but this black one looks really kind of cool. It was only like $4 or something. So I went and took a risk on it. Let me see if I can find a battery, and we'll give it a quick test if I can find one real quick. Okay guys, I can't find a battery, of course. I'll probably make a follow-up video with these other ones I still need to do. I still got the pile over here that I've been trying to get done. So I'm working on it. Let me go ahead and I'll make a video tonight with the updates of that one, and I'll include this one so I can find the battery. I got 2 more unboxings I need to do real quick. So thanks for watching, guys.